Today I'd like to talk about how I got my SA-76 here to give me better sound. Let's turn it on and listen. Ooh. The default piano sound. Now if we plug in this wonderful JBL speaker, which is a Bluetooth speaker for cell phones, it also has a headphone jack on the back of it that will plug right into the back of this piano, believe it or not. This is rechargeable, and if we turn this on, as you heard, so the samples in this unit are actually better than the dinky speakers they put on it. So for a $50 keyboard and I'd say a $30 Bluetooth speaker, I mean, it's the best. This is a JBL Bluetooth speaker. I'll have a link to it in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I need every subscriber. Okay, you've heard that part. Now without the speaker it sounds like